Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using JOptionPane in Java programming language that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will check and determine whether the given number is an even number or odd number. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So basically I'm using Eclipse as my IDE in writing this program. So we have here import Java Swing JOptionPane. It is a library file that we will use in order for us to use the JOption. We have several comments here. Right now I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, computer tutorials. You can reach me in my personal email address at jrpomperada@gmail.com. Okay, so we have here public class add underscore even numbers, public static void main, and then I have here a variable int number, integer parse int. We convert JOptionPane show input dialog box. Normally it is a string, so by using this command we will able to convert it into integer format. So when we say integer in computer programming, we are referring to a data type that can accept only whole numbers including 0 and negative numbers. So if number modulus 2 equals 0, there's no remainder. If it is true, okay, show option JOptionPane show message dialog. The given number is an even number. Else JOption information message. Else if it is false, the given number will be an odd number. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us click the play button here on the top of Eclipse. Okay, give a number. Let's say we have here 6. Sorry. The given number 6 is even number. Another example, we have 11. Give a number 11. The given number is 11 is odd number. Okay, so another set of example, we have 4. Give a number 4. The given number 4 is even number. We have 13. The given number is odd number. Okay guys, so I think this is the end of our tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please share, and then if you are new with my channel, please subscribe. Your support, I really appreciate your help and support to my channel. Without you guys, my channel will not grow. If you want to reach me, you can email me at jrpomperada@gmail.com. I'm also accepting tutorials, one-on-one tutorials in computer programming. Just send me an email. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until then, see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.